Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. So today you guys, we have a really special unboxing. Now I know that I always say all of my unboxings are special, but this bag you guys is really special. This is actually a unicorn or a dream bag of mine that I thought I would never be able to get brand new, straight from Louis Vuitton at this price, in this color, in this leather, but here it is and I am so excited to finally have it. So without further ado, you guys, let's open up this box. And you guys, look, I need to get my nails done over really bad. Normally I will wait to do the unboxing, but not today. Let's get inside this box because I cannot wait to see this bag. So I ended up ordering it online and this is how it came shipped to me, just in a regular plain brown shipping box. I asked to include a shopping bag, which I don't know why because I have too many as it is. Here's a thank you card along with the return shipping label, and the bag was secured inside the box in its gift box. Attached to the ribbon is just a little personal note I wrote to myself. Inside the box, it looks like they also included a few samples from the new La Beauté beauty line. They've been including these with all of their packages lately, and I think this one is going to be a lipstick sample. Yes, so this is a lipstick sample with 4 different colors. And then here's the bag. So I'm just going to move some of this stuff out of the way so that I'll have some space to open this up, you guys. I really am excited and I just want to make sure that this bag just gets the unboxing it deserves. So let me move some of this stuff out of the way. So now that everything is out of the way, let's finally take the bag out of the dust bag. And here it finally is. I cannot believe I have this bag. I seriously cannot. But here it is, you guys, my brand new Louis Vuitton Cognac Empreinte Speedy 25. I seriously cannot believe I have this bag. I have wanted this bag for so long. It first debuted in 2022 and the timing just wasn't right for me to get it back then. So I'm so happy that Louis Vuitton brought it back. It's a rich, warm cognac shade set against embossed empreinte leather that just glows in the light. Louis Vuitton did bring back some of the cognac empreinte pieces last year, and I got to see them in store. The Pochette Matisse, the Never Full, but this just was not one of the bags that they decided to bring back. And a lot of people were so upset because, you guys, this is honestly the cognac piece to have. So the fact that they didn't bring it back out last year was a little bit disappointing, but to my surprise, it's actually still available on the Louis Vuitton website as I'm filming this video. So if you're interested in it, check the site. I have a feeling it won't be available for too long. So I want to show you around the bag. Yes, it's essentially just a Speedy, but it's a special one and I just want to share the details. I did order an organizer to go inside. I don't have it yet, but I do have an organizer for my DE Speedy 25 over there. I really just want to show you guys that the organizers that I buy, they aren't big bulky organizers that will make my Speedy stiff or structured. In my unboxing video for my Speedy Soft Crafty, a few people were really in their feelings when I said I was going to put an organizer inside. But you guys, the organizers that I use are really thin and lightweight, so it won't get stiff or lose this soft, supple feel that it has right now. I'll put the organizer in a second for you to see and show you how perfectly it fits without changing the shape of the bag. You guys, I still cannot believe that I actually have this bag in my hand. This is really a dream bag for me and I am so happy to have it. So the bag is made of supple, full-grain cowhide leather that's been heat embossed with a giant LV monogram pattern. The embossing is deep and raised, giving it that soft, pillowy texture that you can actually feel when you run your fingers over it. Here's the side of the bag and thankfully it has an extended zipper which lets the bag open up a lot wider. Underneath there's a leather tab that the D-ring is attached to. Now you guys, I did also get a chance to see this bag in store a few days after I ordered it online. I ordered it online because I thought it was going to sell out, but it's still available on the website. So I went in store because I wanted to get a wallet to go with it, and I saw this bag in store, and the one that I saw in store, this leather tab didn't line up to the zipper all that well, but mine lines up perfectly. I was really worried about getting this one and having the same issue, but thankfully mine came in perfect. Here's the back of the bag, and the back is just like the front. It has that same beautiful embossing and smooth, even texture all the way across. The other side, and the leather tab here is perfectly centered and stitched really clean. the bottom of the bag. So on the bottom, there's a seam that runs right down the middle because the front panel and the back panel are two separate pieces of leather. And then here's the top. So at the top of the bag, there's a double zip closure. The hardware is that same gorgeous shiny gold, really rich and reflective hardware that you'd see on a Speedy. So again, you guys, I did go in store to look at two wallets. I looked at a card case in black empreinte because the Cognac one wasn't available. I love the texture and love the size, but then I looked at the Victorine, which was also not available in Cognac, and I really liked that one too. I ended up ordering one, and I'll share it soon, but let me know, which one would you have gotten? So here again is another close-up look at the bag, you guys. This is my first leather Louis Vuitton bag, and I've got to say that I am really, really impressed. The embossing on it is deep, the leather feels good, and it's not the stiff leather that I thought it would be. The leather is really, really soft and pliable, and I actually love that about it. It gives the bag this relaxed, easy feel while still looking super polished. Inside of the bag is a little dust bag with the lock and key inside. Inside, it also comes with this two-piece crossbody strap. I don't plan on wearing this bag crossbody, but I'm still going to use it. I'll probably keep it on the shortest setting and just let it hang while I wear the bag top handle. I'm not really into the long shoulder look. It feels a little old school to me, but I gotta admit, this bag does look pretty good worn that way too. The inside is lined in a Cognac microfiber. There's an inside flat pocket on the front wall and a zippered pocket on the back wall. So I'll also be using an organizer inside the bag. Now this is not the one I'll be using in this one because I am really, really afraid of color transfer, you guys. And I just feel like this red may bleed onto the interior of this bag. But for now, I'll insert it so you can see how it fits. So here it is inside the bag, and honestly, I really like this pop of color. Red just contrasts so nicely with Cognac. It gives it a little personality without taking away from how elevated it looks. And I just want to show you guys that adding this organizer did not change the structure of the bag. It's still really, really soft. It did not make this bag stiff at all. You guys, when I tell you that I am so happy, Louis Vuitton decided to bring this bag back for all of us that weren't able to get it the first time around. A couple of you have been DMing me pictures of yours on Instagram. I am so happy that we are all able to finally get this bag. This bag, you guys, people were marking it up so high on the resale market, and to me, it just didn't feel right or fair, and I just wasn't willing to pay those prices. So the fact that Louis Vuitton heard all of us and brought this bag back just feels unreal. This really is a dream bag, and I cannot wait to wear it. Thank you so much for unboxing it with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.